Hey, I'm Doug from Doug and Nikki, and this is Willow from Doug and Nikki. She is our 17-year-old cat who likes to partake in these videos, but the video is actually about this cool portable display from Lipow. It is a 15.6-inch HD portable USB-C compliant monitor, which is perfect for us because, as you may or may not know, we have a YouTube channel where we travel all over the world. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to quickly unbox this. We'll see what it comes with. I'm going to plug it into my laptop, which is right here, and all queued up is one of our videos from India, seeing as I can show that to you without any copyright issues. And let's see how quickly and easily it works and what the image looks like. Let's do that. Oh, speaking of image, not only image, there are 2 speakers in this too, so it should have good sound as well. As I said, it's HD, which is 1080p, a full 10 and real 1080p. So here you have a USB-A to USB-C wire, which comes with it. Oh, I see what that is. That's the power supply, not the connection for your computer. Here's the power supply. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, it's packaged really nicely. Ah, look at that. It comes with a screen protector. What a great idea that is. I've seen a lot of these things. I have not seen that included. That is really smart. Now 15.6 is a big display. Oh look, even more things to show you. So here we have an HDMI micro to full HDMI cable, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's great. Cleaning supplies, instructions, all that kind of fun stuff. I do need to tell you as I finish unboxing this that this was provided for us to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions. So if this sucks, I will give it a 1 out of 5 on the Doug score. If this is as awesome as it's feeling to me, it will definitely get a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. And in case you're watching the YouTube channel, we're going back to traveling. We're going back to some international destinations. And I believe this will be going with me as a second screen for me to be able to edit videos, watch videos while we're on a cruise. All right, let's see what it looks like. Whew. Okay, this is less than 2 pounds. Again, we've been fortunate enough to review a couple of these, and this seems significantly better quality-wise than some of the others that we've reviewed. It's kind of a short cable. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this with the cat in the way. Power is clearly indicated over here. There it goes. Oh, that's so cool. How cool is that? I know there's a big glare there. Let me start the video rolling and I'll move it so you can see it. Share with you our experiences in one of the most unique and amazing countries in the world.
We're Doug and Nikki here at the top.
There we go.
That's right.
How cool is that?
The wonders of the world. It is a unique country, and it can be a little scary for travelers.
That is so cool. Let's check out the audio.
I want to share our experience with you.
Okay, so I will tell you in total fairness, the display itself is awesome, super light. The quality of the image is great. I'm really liking that. My one downside for it is I don't think the sound is really that strong. I mean, you can hear it, but it doesn't, it's not like a great audio quality. I've played with the settings a little bit. I moved it up, moved it down, all that kind of stuff. Obviously, there could be a little exception for my computer or something like that. But in any case, as a basic answer, this is still traveling with me. I'm going to use my earbuds anyway because I want that really good quality sound and not to interrupt Nicole when she's asleep at night. So I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5 on the Doug score. The display and setup and lightness of it are all outstanding. Those parts are all 5s out of 5s. I think the audio end, I could only give it like a 3 out of 5. I mean, it's passable, it's fine. Not amazing, but there are all kinds of other answers like the earbuds, earphones, all those kind of things, or the audio direct out of my laptop here. So not a deal breaker, but it prevents me from giving it a 5 out of 5. So 4 out of 5 on the Doug score. I hope that was helpful. This is super cool. I'm very excited about it. I hope that was helpful. I will see you next time.